how to unsend message on Messenger. So if you want to unsend a message on Messenger, then first of all you need to open up your Messenger application. And after opening your Messenger, now you can simply go for any chat that you would like. So I'll be choosing this one. So you can simply send a chat. And after sending a chat, now if you want to unsend this message on Messenger, or if you want to remove this message from both sides of the conversation, so what you can do is simply tap on hold on. So what you can do is simply tap and tap and hold on to that chat for 2 to 3 seconds, and here you will have more option on the bottom right. Tap on more and then go for remove, and here you will have unsend and remove for you. You will have two options, so you can simply tap on unsend, and that's it. That's how you unsend message on Messenger. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.